Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You already have a numeric column and you need the median now. First, remove null and compute n with select count, asterisk, so you know odd versus even. Once done, calculate offset equals floor, n1/2, and know whether you need one middle value or two to average. Use this count in the next query rather than hardcoding a number, because the median logic depends on n. Make sure your column is numeric and indexed for faster ordering. Now select the middle value or values. If n is odd, perform select value from measurements where value is not null, order by value, limit 1 offset, where offset is floor, n1/2. If n is even, fetch 2 rows, limit 2 offset floor, n1/2, and then compute avg value. You can compute offset inside a subquery or use a prepared statement to plug n into offset. This avoids loading all rows into the client and uses server-side sorting. Finish by returning a single median value. For even n, select avg value from select value from measurements where value is not null, order by value, limit 2 offset. As t, for odd n, select value from limit 1 offset. If performance lags, add an index on value or use window functions in MySQL 8. Use row number or %rank alternatives. If results look wrong, verify null handling and integer division when computing offset as common bugs.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.